Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And you know that day during the year that you've worked hard all fall, got your yard rocking and rolling, you've done your watering, you've done your fertilizing, you've done everything you're supposed to do, and you're mowing, and all of a sudden you stop and you turn around and look at the grass and you're like, holy cow. Well, that day happened for me just the other day. I was out here mowing, and I'd been setting up my little checkerboard plaid cross cut pattern for striping, and I turned around and I looked at the yard, and I had to stop and just look at it. And I was like, holy cow, would you look at this thing? It is glowing like a new penny. This fall that we're in right now, 2022, I think the yard looks better than it ever has. Of course, I know I said the same thing last fall, but this is a new fall and a new year. I'm gonna tell you what, this joker is on fire. It is lit right now, and I'm absolutely loving it. That little touch of ryegrass I got in there is really starting to show off a lot. And then, of course, I got some bluegrass in here, and then obviously the base or the majority of the yard is a turf type tall fescue, and all three of those grasses stripe incredibly hard. So when you put them all together, oh my goodness, it is just on fire. Say, we need to come up with a name for my yard now, and I'm gonna give the credit to Michael, my boy Mike in Virginia. He come up with this. He said, Pete, let's call it a mutt yard. Like that old wild dog that's running up and down the street, like old mutt. So we'll call this a GCI mutt grass. When Mike sent me a text and told me, let's call it the mutt grass, man, I like to fell out in the floor laughing. Hey, works for me. If mutt grass looks like this right here, I'll take it all day long. So hey, enjoy the mowing, enjoy the flyovers. I'm getting ready to burn the road up and go to Louisville to the GIE. When I get back, I've got three really special guests. We're gonna let them mow the fescue out here, and we're gonna let them mow back there in the bluegrass. The Bermuda at the shop, it's on its way out. I mean, you Bermuda guys, you know that it's kind of on its downhill fall right now. The ryegrass is a little bit slow to coming in, but it's coming in pretty good. So as soon as that rye gets done out there, we'll do some mowing out there, and I'll show you some things I do with the ryegrass over the winter and that kind of thing. But right now, I'm gonna go in and eat supper. And as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.